Sorry?
Where are you going?
I'm going to Kempton's Park.
Kempton Park?
Yeah. Yeah. I don't want to fill it because I'm taking it to the airport and then they're flying the bike.
Whoa.
So I don't want to fill it. Hi.
How are you?
Hi. Oh.
Quentin, pleased to meet you.
Pleased to meet you too.
Where are you coming from?
I've been here around.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I came from Kenya.
From Kenya?
Yes.
And where are you going now?
Right now I'm going to Kempton's Park.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When I don't sleep.
About time. Hi, good morning. It's a beautiful morning here at Hatfields, Pretoria. So as I had previously told you, I'm staying at a hostel, backpackers lodge or something like that. It's way cheaper than staying in hotels or guest houses. So yesterday we took Nairobi the bike for the repair to have the rim sorted out, or rather fixed, because it was a little bit bent and I was losing front tire pressure. So now it's about time I go pick it up at the garage, the bike garage. So I hope they have been able to fix the issue and I'm not going to be losing tire pressure. I don't know what they will have done to just get the rim back in line, but I hope they did a perfect job. So we'll get to know maybe a day or two later after we get the bike. So the plan is, after I get the bike tomorrow, I will be riding to Johannesburg, South Africa, and I'll be staying at Kempton's Park because I have to send the bike home, like back to Kenya. Unfortunately, I won't be able to ride to Cape Town because of various reasons. And one of them is because I'm expecting my family to join me, and we will be heading down to Cape Town together with my wife and my daughter. She's a really beautiful thing, so that we can have a moment, to just enjoy Cape Town together. So that's why I want to be riding to Cape Town. However, it has been really amazing. It has been so much fun. It's been awesome. It's been just really great. So far, riding this much all the way from Malindi in Kenya, and possibly my last stopover will be Johannesburg in South Africa. And yeah, I don't know what to say. There's just so much to say, but for now, let me just go get the bike. We will have more time to talk about this and all that that is yet to unfold. So yeah, that is it for now. So let's go get the bike, guys. Okay, we have we have already sorted the rim issue with the bike, the front rim, that is. Thank you. Thanks. Hey, good morning. Morning, guys. So it's finally our day to leave Pretoria and head for Johannesburg. So I'm headed to Johannesburg, particularly at Cramptons. I think it's called Cramptons Park or Kemptons Park. I'll be staying at Ethonsi Guest House and Spa, and I am working with Aviair, I think Aviation of Freight, Aviair Freight, to see that I can send Nairobi, the bike, all the way from Johannesburg at the OR at Tambo Airport to Nairobi, Kenya. So we're trying to get everything in order, make sure all the documents are intact, and yeah, we're gonna have to, just get it as freight, and afterwards I can head all the way to Cape Town. Hopefully, I am really hoping and crossing my fingers that I'm able to work things out so that my family can meet me in Cape Town. The costs are really, really high. Everything is really expensive. Yeah, but let's do what we can. Yeah, so let's cheer up and enjoy the ride to Johannesburg at Kemptons Park. Hey man.
Well, safe, man.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, ciao, ciao.
Bye bye. Okay, it's about time we leave. Victoria. Hi. Hi, how are you?
Tata. How's it?
Good, good.
Yes. Can I put my boat here?
This is for, I am going to fill up to 95 now. Okay. So, like, you want to put it here?
No, yes, I must put it here. You see, this is my boat. So every time you want this boat to be here when I'm feeling something.
Oh, when you are filling. Okay, okay. I thought you want me to go with it.
No.
Okay, that's great. So, but it's petrol, not diesel.
Yes, you want 95 or 93?
93. How much is liter? 22.65. Give me for 100. That will be 5 liters. Will be like what? Give me 120.
You want how many liters here?
Give me 120.
120.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. 120. And you have the card for swipe?
Yes.
Great.
93 or 95?
93.
Where are you going now?
Sorry?
Where are you going?
I'm going to Kemptons Park.
Kempton Park.
Yeah, yeah. I don't want to fill it because I'm taking it to the airport and then they're flying the bike.
Oh,
So I don't want to fail it. Hi.
How are you?
Hi. Oh,
Quentin, pleased to meet you.
pleased to meet you too.
Where are you coming from?
I've been here around.
Yeah,
Yeah, but I came from Kenya.
from Kenya?
Yes.
And where are you going now?
Right now I'm going to Kempton's Park.
Yeah?
Yeah.
you too, don't you say
When I don't sleep.
It's nice to meet you. You
How's
are
everything?
great, really great.
So what do you do? What are you doing? You
Just traveling.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay. But how long you've been driving now?
I've been riding for 7 weeks now.
7 weeks.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
No problem.
Oh no, not at all.
Yes.
It's
7 weeks.
been amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, good luck, man.
Thank you so much.
So who, my friend?
Yes.
Who take you that photo there?
Some people at the border of South Africa.
So they are taking the motorbike to where now?
Right now, I'm taking it to Kempton's Park at
To
the airport,
and then after?
and then they send it to Kenya because I am meeting my family and I cannot be with my family with the bike.
You need a car.
Yes, yes.
Are you working to travel long?
Sorry?
Are you working for someone when you're traveling?
No,
or just
no,
for you?
no. I'm not working for anyone.
Yo,
Oh, those guys, they just showed me a picture of me from Facebook. That's really nice. They happened to have seen a picture of me on Facebook and they just shared it to me. That's really, really nice.
what is this post?
This is insurance for Kenya.
If you 1 point here, ne?
Yep.
You paid with this card?
Yes.
Oh, you don't have a clicks card there?
No, I use that card.
Can I tap?
Yeah. Great.
Aye, don't know. When you are in Kenya, it says the
Kenya shillings, yeah.
It's how much? 900 and
903 shillings. Kenya shillings. That's different currency.
It's fine like this.
Yep, this is okay. This is perfect.
Ish. I like the way you are traveling. One day I want to buy this is yours, boss.
Okay.
One day I want to buy a motorbike and then I want to take some trips even me.
Wow.
So when are you going to go back to Kenya?
I think after 2 weeks, I think. Okay. Godspeed. Bye, my friend. So that's the Triumph Motorcycles Center. That's the showroom for the Triumph motorbikes. Really amazing. I never had a chance to come and check out the bikes, but ooh, great bikes.
destination is on the right.
Hello. Is this in Tonsi guest house? Yeah, I had made a reservation. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Good, good.
Yes.
This is in Tonsi guest house.
Yes, your name?
John Nasio.
Yes. Okay. Why you come early?
Sorry?
Check-in is 3.
I had I think requested for early check-in, and I got a message that it's okay.
Okay, I didn't got it.
Okay, but if it's not time, I will just wait outside. There's no problem.
It's fine.
If the room is not ready, there's no problem.
It's fine. How is it?
There is no any sign here to show that it is a guest house.
The person was supposed to tell me that you check in early and you talk to him, but he doesn't tell me, you see.
Oh,
You see.
I got an email. Yes, yes. I will just show you. Where can I park? Outside. Okay. But if the room is not ready, it's okay. I don't have a problem. Huh? Okay. So guys, this is the final call. About time to bid the Nairobi bye-bye, to bid the Nairobi farewell. I'm sending the bike to the airport. I'm actually going to ride to OR Tambo Airport, and unfortunately I'm not going to record this because I'm told there's a lot of security and I don't want to have any problems here in South Africa or with the airport security, so I'm going to leave the GoPro behind, sadly. So yeah, it's about time we say bye-bye to Nairobi. Yep. I don't know, maybe I could carry the GoPro, but I will not attach it on the helmet, just to be safe. Yeah, so this is it. Okay. From here, I rode the bike to OR Tambo International Airport and dropped it off at the cargo terminals. I then hopped into the next flight to Cape Town, South Africa. I honestly cannot underestimate the fact that I really had an amazing time in Cape Town. This city is a popular destination due to its beautiful landscape, its Mediterranean climate, and lots of exciting activities for everyone. I enjoyed the tour of the city on the city sightseeing buses that offer tourists the opportunity to hop on and hop off at several points within the city. I made sure to pick out the best gifts and souvenirs for my family who sadly weren't able to join me in this fascinating city. After a week of so much fun, I had to bid this beautiful city of Cape Town farewell. I hopped into a 5.5 hours Nairobi-bound KQ flight to Jomo Kenyatta International Airport, where I was really eager to reunite with my bike and embark on more exciting adventures across Africa.